You can expect a lot from the 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Volkswagen's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 112-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.